Samsung retains a massive influence in the smartphone world, holding an outsized mind share even relative to its legitimately massive market share. The Galaxy Note 8 is a perfect example of this. It doesn't sell nearly as well as the Galaxy S line, yet it's held up as the pinnacle of what Samsung is capable of on account of its bigger size, extra features, and super high price. We published our Galaxy Note 8 review over 3 months ago, back on September 5th. In that time we've continued to use other phones, watch the industry evolve and let the new phone honeymoon phase fully wear out on the Note 8. Now that we have more time under our belt with the phone, it's time for a revisit and a fresh review. Here's our new take on the Galaxy Note 8 after over 3 months of use. My interest in the latest Samsung phones primarily centers around their hardware. All aspects of it. And the Note 8 has a whole lot of room to show off Samsung's quality. Yes, this is a somewhat derivative design from all the way back to the Galaxy S6 Edge, but that shouldn't take away from the fact that Samsung has continued to refine its processes to make something wonderful. The huge panes of curved glass just fit so perfectly with the metal sides, and everything has a great feel to it. Though the Note 8 is a bit bulbous and kind of bursting at the seams compared to the Galaxy S8 Plus, I still can't find an angle where it doesn't look great. I continually hear complaints about the fragility of the last few generations of Samsung phones, but I have yet to experience any such issues. Yes, the back is glass, and yes, glass will pick up scratches over time. That's just the trade-off we have to deal with in order to get this striking design and wireless charging. I feel like I could easily enjoy a Note 8 with a flat display rather than a curved one, but once again it's just a trade-off in terms of making the phone a bit narrower and more striking. Both decisions are worth it in my view. It turns out that even though the Pixel and Pixel 2 have taken over the largest portion of camera hype in the last year, Samsung still knows how to do great things with its cameras. The live focus portrait mode may have been a bit of a gimmick, I still forget about it regularly, but the core fundamentals and shots you can get from the Note 8 are still top-notch.